Recently, the BYD Fangqing Bao Leopard 8 Drone Edition has officially been launched, priced at 395,800 renminbi, approximately $54,000. This model is equipped with a fast-charging smart in-vehicle drone system developed in collaboration between BYD and DJI, along with Huawei's smart driving system. Additionally, a new exclusive white interior color option has been introduced. The smart in-vehicle drone system is also available for all current regular versions of the model as an optional upgrade, priced at 16,000 renminbi, approximately $2,000. The Leopard 8 Drone Edition retains the same exterior design as the regular model, with the only difference being the addition of an in-vehicle drone compartment on the roof. In terms of dimensions, the Leopard 8 Drone Edition measures 5,195 mm in length, 1,994 mm in width, and 2,000 mm in height, with a wheelbase of 2,920 mm. Compared to the current model, the height has increased by 125 mm, while the other dimensions remain unchanged. In addition to the in-vehicle drone system, the Leopard 8 Drone Edition is equipped with 21-inch wheels, fixed side steps, hidden door handles, a tow hook, a point connector, a rear-mounted spare tire, and other features. It also features Huawei's ADS 3.0 smart driving system and an infrared night vision system, enabling functions such as valet parking, automatic parking, and proactive previewing. The system can adjust the suspension damping based on road conditions, improving comfort. The Leopard 8 Drone Edition is equipped with a customized DJI Air 3S in-vehicle drone, which supports 100W charging. The drone can be controlled via a custom dual-purpose handle for dynamic takeoff and landing, smart follow, and one-click return-to-dock functions. Additionally, a roof-mounted camera is installed above the drone compartment with a 4K resolution and a 160-degree ultra-wide-angle view, helping to fill in scenarios where drones are limited, such as on highways, in tunnels, or restricted flight zones, and in low-light environments. Interior images of the Leopard 8 Drone Edition have not been released. For reference, the current regular version of the Leopard 8 comes with a large floating central control screen, a full digital instrument cluster, and an entertainment screen for the co-pilot. It is equipped with DLYNK&CO smart cockpit technology, supporting 7-screen integration and voice control. The co-dashboard features a retractable gear shifter and crystal-style physical buttons. It also has 2 wireless phone charging panels, 50W max, and a 7-liter vehicle-mounted compressor fridge in the central armrest box. The Leopard 8 offers 2 seating configurations, 6-seat and 7-seat layouts. The second row is equipped with 2 screens, which control the multimedia and air conditioning systems independently. All seats are electrically adjustable, and the front 2 rows feature seat ventilation, heating, and massage functions. Based on the DMO platform, the Leopard 8 is powered by a plug-in hybrid system consisting of a 2.0T engine and an electric motor. The combined output is 550 kilowatts of power and 760 Nm of torque, with a 0 to 100 km/h acceleration time of 4.8 seconds. In terms of range, it is equipped with a 36.864 kWh lithium iron phosphate battery, offering an electric-only range of 100 km. Additionally, the vehicle comes with a full-featured DSUS-P smart hydraulic body control system, which not only supports proactive suspension damping adjustment but also offers 3 levels of adjustable suspension stiffness. The system has a maximum suspension adjustment travel of 140 mm, enabling the vehicle to achieve a maximum weighting depth of 900 mm. The Leopard 8 also supports intelligent modes such as speed-sensitive suspension adjustment, camping leveling, item retrieval, and welcoming. Although the addition of the drone increases the price of the Leopard 8, it undeniably enhances the vehicle's fun factor. Do you think the Leopard 8 Drone Edition has practical use for regular consumers? Share your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more updates on Chinese automobiles.